Hey guys, Misty Vapes here. So here is another one from Tonic Vapor. It is strawberry cough, 6 milligrams. There we go. Alright, so let's give this a try. I didn't read the flavor profile on this, but I definitely get that strong strawberry flavor. Not really an artificial, so that's a plus. It's almost as if I'm biting right into a fresh strawberry. Oh, it just makes my mouth water. Very delicious, very good. I have to say, I was really digging the Blue Dream, but the strawberry cough trumps it totally. Love it. But I'm a strawberry girl myself. Really good. Like I said, very good. Y'all have to go try it out. Tonic Vapor, strawberry cough. Good throat hit. Not too harsh, just right. I'll put the links where y'all can go check them out and buy it yourself if y'all would like to try it. Very good. Like I said, from Tonic Vapor. Alright guys, bye. Have a good day.